Sorry, it's raining. Here. It's L533 plus it's yellow, so here it comes. I hear it. Hurry up, train. It's also a westbound, it just came out of Canada, so see if we can catch that after this one, but we'll see. Depends on time. But here's the second train. There's oh, there's the gates. Don't you dare. L533. Look, right back. Wow. Shit. Sorry. It goes. It went through on a yellow. I'm surprised. L533 went through on a double yellow. Wow, it goes. Might go to Canada, I don't know. Put it on Michigan.